Hi, Yirmi.
Hi.
Do you have engines?
Yes.
Do you like Thomas?
Yeah.
Can you show us your engines? Tell us which ones you have.
And Molly.
Which ones? Show me. Start from the beginning.
Spencer and Donald and Molly and Trevor and Thomas and Bernie and Thomas.
Which kind of Thomas is that?
And the light and sound one.
How does it work? Good.
Like this.
Okay.
It makes the same and sound like this. But they have it in a color Thomas.
That's the take-along Thomas.
This is a tickle.
And what's the next one? What's the next one over here? What's this one?
I have a garter Thomas.
A what Thomas?
A garter one Thomas.
Oh, okay. But what's this one over here? Keep going in order. What's this one?
A border car.
Right. And what's this?
I can try to order little.
We're talking about which engines you do have, not which ones you don't have. What's that? Whose tender is that?
Shooty's tender.
It's James's busy as a bee tender.
No, it's Goody's tender.
Okay, go on to the next one.
Gordon.
Gordon. This is actually a Brio train, but Yirmi likes to call him Gordon. Hey, oh, okay, we have Gordon. Okay.
This is a gutter engine.
Okay. And what's the next one? This pink one?
Rosie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's the next one?
But the red one is called Scarlowy.
Scarlowy?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the other next one, Percy.
Uh-huh, Percy.
And the next one, the water truck. And the next one, the money coach. And next, Mighty and Mac.
Mighty Mac?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And next, the water engine.
Okay.
And I have the water caboose. And I have the fuel car.
Mm-hmm.
And I have Harold.
Which is what is he?
And he's...
Is he an engine?
Let's say a helicopter.
A helicopter, right. And what's this?
Spencer.
Right.
Can you put a battery on him?
No, because he's broken, remember?
Why?
Because your cousin lent him to you after he broke him. Okay, next.
Duncan.
Duncan, what are all those blue ones?
Edward.
Edward. Mm-hmm.
And I have Rusty.
Yeah.
Yeah. And James.
Right.
Right. And I have the next one, Gordon.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And the next one, the ambulance.
What do you do with the ambulance?
The next one, Henry.
Right. But where does the ambulance take people?
To the store.
No, to the hospital.
Yeah.
What else do you have?
And with tender.
Right.
Right. And I have the next one, the Bogger Thomas.
The Bogger Thomas?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I have the next one, Toby.
Toby, right. And what's the last one over there?
Thomas.
And who's he attached to right now? Who's he coupled with?
To the troublesome trucks.
To this troublesome trucks. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave.